Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to import TensorFlow in Visual Studio Code. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more programming guides. Alright, let's get started. Make sure you've got Visual Studio Code opened up on your computer. TensorFlow is a powerful library for machine learning and deep learning. To use TensorFlow in Visual Studio Code, you first need to have Python installed on your system. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and download Python from the official website. With Python ready, open Visual Studio Code. The first thing we're going to do is set up a Python environment suitable for TensorFlow. Go to the Extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Search for and install the Python extension by Microsoft. This extension is fantastic for Python development in VS Code. Next up, create a new Python file. Simply go to the top menu, click File, then New File, and save it with a .py extension. Now we'll install TensorFlow. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code. Go to the top menu, select Terminal, and then New Terminal. In the terminal, type pip install TensorFlow and hit Enter. This command will install TensorFlow in your Python environment. The installation might take a few minutes, so hang tight. Once TensorFlow is installed, you can import it into your Python script. Just add import TensorFlow as TF at the beginning of your script, and there you go. You're all set to start using TensorFlow in your machine learning or deep learning projects in Visual Studio Code. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy coding with TensorFlow, and I'll see you in the next video.